Alright. We're doing a little residential carpet. It's not a very big place. We're doing the living room, and we're going to be going from there. We're going to do that little hallway section in there. Just they've had a bunch of their grandkids over to stay, and they're ready to have it cleaned up because the things got out of hand. This is a sculpted carpet. It's not too bad a shape. There are some worn areas up by the front door and everything, but that's natural. This is probably a 15, 20-year-old carpet. It's kind of dark in here, so it may look kind of funny on video.
We're using the Trinity
blue
microfiber?
Yeah, the blue microfibers. I'll put up a link in the video description.
And we're really liking their products right now. We got their glad pads and their microfibers, and they work pretty good, I'll tell you.
Yeah, the microfiber has the blue scrubbing strips on it, so it does a pretty good job. And you can see with the Oreck, it's not overly aggressive because it still spins the bonnet.
That works good on the Oreck, real good.
Want me to move that bottle?
Not yet. Everything's just coming right out.
I'll put links in the video description for everybody. I'm just going to move this over here because you did it.
Not too far out, I'll lose the lighting.
Just watch that cord, don't wrap that up. Move it out here.
So get that ball temporarily. Go grab that ball. Keep the fan warm. Alright, get ready to put it right back. Shut the door. Okay, open it back up and put the bottle back there. Or we won't have no lighting.
It's a dark, overcast day. It turned cold. It's been hot, and now it's turned cold, so. Watch out, you're pulling your cord out of the wall.
Well, go fix it.
Hold on. Okay.
Make sure it's hot.
You should be good for a while.
They're coming over here.
It's coming up pretty nice.
It is. Everything's just coming right out.
Now with sculpted carpets, sometimes it looks like you're leaving smudges and everything, but it's because the direction you pull the nap, you're going to see different color. So. Hey, when you get a second, Jay, stop that and just hold that up so they can see the bonnet from underneath, so you can see kind of what they look like. This is a 14-inch microfiber bonnet, and it's pretty close to an inch thick with foam in between, so it can soak up a lot of stuff. Don't hit the gas pipe.
And there were stains in here that just came right out.
Yeah, it did a good job. It's kind of shadowy.
It's a little darker.
Before you go into that hallway, you need to fix your cord a little better.
The cord?
Yeah, you got it so it's clumping up in a pile and it's pulling on both ends.
So
hold that up so we can see
the bonnet.
Yeah, this is a 14-inch, which works fine.
Works great.
Yeah, you can kind of see it's got scrubbing strips all the way across it.
The scrub strips are actually very
Now the pattern they use on these things, it's a segmented. It looks like like pizza slices, but they're segmented. So what happens with a lot of orbital machines, not so much with an Oreck, but with other machines, they sling all the foam inside. They'll sling it to the outside edges of the pad on the inside, and you don't want that.
These don't do that.
Yeah, with the segmented portions the way they've got it. Here, I'm going to hold this open while you go spray that. With the segmented portions, it keeps all your foam in place. Some bonnets, they have like a spiral sewn design on them. Some have the look like slices of pizza or pie, but they don't segment them. They're just straight lines. They have the Starburst pattern, which is just, well, that is kind of a Starburst pattern. The spiral, let's see, there's another couple. Some of them they just sew across, straight lines, diagonal lines across. But this is a good one because they keep all your foam in different segments, so it stays intact.
But it should. I don't know what it is.
Now the Glad pads,
Yeah.
the Glad pads, let's see if he has one out. He doesn't. The Glad pads are 15 inch and they work fine on here too. I'll put a link to both of them. Put that back in the doorway here. Let's see. You can see.
Carpets aren't very wet either.
See our little car out there that we carry everything in.
It works.
It works. Oh, let me put that down on the ground. I want to show them the pattern. See, it's segmented. It's got the pizza slices in it, but then it's also sewn around in circles.
These are the ones to get.
Yeah, okay, that reminded me. The other one is a Bullseye that they sew them. Sometimes they just sew the circles. They don't have the cross pieces, so there's still a chance for the foam to migrate around in there.
Go in there.
And this holds it up a little bit more solid. All right. Let's see how this comes out. Now we don't usually show, when we go home, what we do is we'll throw that bonnet in that pad into a bucket of water, maybe put a little detergent in there with it, and it'll turn the water black. So a lot of people wonder where's all the dirt going. It's being absorbed into the pad. And they can be kind of hard to clean. We clean everything by hand. We don't use a washing machine. So we just spray them out with a sprayer, and we just run water through them and keep rinsing it until it comes out clear. So there's a ton of dirt in these things. We like these because they're a little bit easier to clean than a regular, like a two-way type bonnet like the Orecks usually use. And Ironmans are real hard to clean the way we clean our bonnets. So these are great, a great bonnet selection.
That's pretty much got it.
Now what we're using is it's a stock Oreck drive plate. It's not been modified. It doesn't have Velcro on it or anything. But what you want is you want one that's worn down a little bit. So if you have a brand new Oreck, the teeth are going to be so sharp you don't want to use bonnets and pads like this. So what you do is take it out on some rough concrete. Just put your hand inside the driver and kind of scrape it back and forth like that until you take the points down just a little bit. That way it won't tear your bonnets up so much. But it still grips them.
There's some permanent stuff in this carpet, but almost everything come out.
Okay.
There's some stuff that might be drag marks from dragging tables or
Okay.
Yeah, the sprayers back, the hand sprayers are back there if you want to reach one and try something on it.
Me?
Yeah, because I can't get to them.
I've done everything I can. No, it took a lot of stuff out. That's good.
I'm going to walk by you, Jay.
Hang on.
Okay. So you can see it's good transformation. This is a real quick, simple one. We did a job for their relatives. We did a townhouse. We didn't make a video there because they had a bunch of kids around and stuff, so we didn't really see a chance to make a video there. So, but we are getting some work during the shutdown. It hasn't affected us yet. We're still cleared for working, so we're doing jobs. We're just being careful.
That's it.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
On that small space, it gets done that quick.
Yeah, check the video description for more details. And till next time, thanks for watching.